Hello, I'm Sharon Jacob. I'm a second grade teacher here at Butler, and I'd like to welcome you guys to Butler's first ever virtual international week. Well, every day our schools, classrooms, communities, neighborhoods are becoming more and more diverse. And at Butler, we are a population of families representing different countries, cultures, speaking various languages, enjoying different foods, sport team preferences. We even have different skin tones, sharing different beliefs at times. We're Butler, we're family, and it's all these differences and more that make us the great school that we are. It was Maya Angelou, the famous author and poet, that said it best. In diversity, there's beauty and there's strength. We respect and learn from each other. We value our differences, and somewhere along the way we discover that we really have more in common than not. Well, first up, we'd like to introduce you to the country of Brazil. Brazil. Here we see the country's flag. Brazil, located just south of the continent on which we live, North America, we find the continent South America. Brazil is in the continent of South America, and Brazil is the largest country in South America. It also is the fifth largest nation in the entire world. And here to talk to us more about Brazil, its culture, its language, and even some of the foods, is one of Butler's families, the Torres family. Here we see Haley in the 6th grade. There's Wes in the 4th grade, a former Butler Bronco and big brother, Fabio. There's Mom and Dad. Let's listen and learn from the Torres family.
Oi, gente, eu sou a Haley. I am in 6th grade, and I am Brazilian. And then this is my Brazilian soccer shirt, and this is the soccer player, Coutinho. He's number 11 on the Brazilian soccer team, and he's a midfielder.
Oi, meu nome é Wes, and I'm in 4th grade, and I'm Brazilian, and I speak Portuguese.
Boy, Wes, where are we going tonight?
Vila Brazil.
What is that?
It is churrascaria.
What's a churrascaria?
It is a Brazilian restaurant that has meat, steak, and all that meat stuff.
That meat stuff. Do you remember the name of the Brazilian meat that's really yummy?
Carne.
Well, that means meat. It's called picanha. What's your favorite thing in the Brazilian restaurant?
The cheese bread.
How do you say cheese bread in Portuguese?
Pão de queijo.
Pão de queijo. Okay, well, we'll see you at the restaurant. So, Haley and Wes, where are we?
Brazil.
And what is Vila Brazil?
It's a Brazilian barbecue restaurant.
Okay, we ready to go see what kind of food there is? Yes.
Can I say?
Haley, what are these?
Beef ribs.
Do you remember what they're called in Portuguese?
No.
Beterraba. Okay. Wes, what are you going to get?
Rice and beans.
What are the beans called? Do you remember? Feijoada.
Oh, wait, yeah.
Black beans with meat. This is arroz, rice. Haley, what's this?
This is pastel.
Pastel.
Yes.
What kind it is?
Ground
Beef.
And then this is pão de queijo.
This is the famous cheese bread.
So we're drinking guaraná. It is a fruit soda or something from Brazil.
And it has a lot of caffeine in it.
Then they're gonna bring dinosaurs.
Yeah.
Wes, you remember how to say pineapple? Portuguese?
Oh, yeah.
How do you say it, Haley?
Abacaxi.
Abacaxi.
I knew that.
Hello.
Hi there.
Tell us about who you are.
Hi, my name is Fabio Torres,
And how are you connected to these people?
yes, these are my amazing children. I came to the U.S. in 1991, and I speak Portuguese. Brazil is one of the largest countries that speaks Portuguese. There are other countries that also speak Portuguese. Of course, Portugal, Angola, and Mozambique, and some other countries. But we are one of the largest countries that actually speak Portuguese. Brazil is extremely diverse. Our population, we have, of course, you know, the north, south. I'm from Rio, which is right in the middle of the coast, and it's absolutely one of the most beautiful, incredible. There's no place like Rio. So, yeah, it's Brazil.
Thank you.
Well, thank you, Torres family. That was amazing. I have never visited a churrascaria, but there sure was some yummy looking food at that Brazilian barbecue restaurant. So, again, thank you so much for sharing. And that's a wrap for today, Butler Broncos. International Week continues tomorrow, where we will visit a different continent and a different country, and we'll learn more about the country and its culture. See you soon.